The tune starts with the notes B flat and C, which I play on the 3rd string, frets 3 and 5, followed by a D on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, but this note is accompanied with a chord, E flat, which I play by placing a pinky on the E flat on the 5th string, 6th fret, along with my first finger holding down a partial bar, strings 4, 3, and 2 on the 3rd fret. Play 3 times. The 4th time, the first 2 melody notes change to F and E flat on the 2nd string, followed by the same E flat chord, followed yet again with a B flat to C, now going to an E flat minor chord, which I only play with 3 notes, E flat, 5th string, 6th fret, G flat, 4th string, 4th fret, and D flat, 4th string, 6th fret, which I change into an A flat 7 without a specific melody, also just 3 notes really. I play a bar on the 4th fret, and the notes are A flat in the bass, as well as G flat on the 4th string, and the C on the 3rd string. From the top put together, following what is essentially the same rhythmic pattern. Now the melody changes to E flat F on the 2nd string, to a G on the 1st string, 3rd fret, along with an F minor 7 chord, which I play a little differently with the C in the bass. I play a bar across the upper 5 strings on the 3rd fret, and also play 2 additional notes. The notes from the bottom are the C, 5th string, 3rd fret, A flat, 4th string, 6th fret, B flat, as well as the E flat on the 2nd string, 4th fret, and the G on top. Similarly, it is played 3 times. And the 4th time, the notes B flat, A flat on the 1st string, followed by, again, E flat, F on the 2nd string, frets 4 and 6, to an A flat minor 7 on the 4th fret, place a bar on the 4th fret, play the A flat at the bottom along with a G flat, a B natural, and this G flat with my pinky on the 2nd string, 7th fret. And I move the G flat down to F to accommodate this D flat 7 chord, which I play by keeping the bar in place and now playing the notes D flat, G flat, B, and the F. This second part put together goes like this. This is followed by 4 notes, the F on the 2nd string, then G, G sharp, and A on the 1st string, frets 3, 4, and 5. The melody note now is B flat, played on the first string 6th fret, accompanied with this E flat 6/9 chord, E flat on the 5th string, along with G and C on strings 4 and 3, and F, and as I mentioned, B flat on top. 3 separate melody notes, E flat, G and B flat, strings 2 and 1. This is an F sharp minor 7 with 4 on top, which is the melody. With my first finger I play the F sharp on the 4th string, 4th fret. Also the C sharp on the 3rd string, 6th fret. The E, my second finger, 2nd string, 5th fret, and the B on top, with 2 melody notes to go with this chord. The B and the E. And now a B7, which I play very similar to the way I played the D flat 7 before. Just a bar on the middle 4 strings on the 2nd fret, along with this D sharp, my pinky on the 2nd string, 4th fret. So the notes are B, E, A, and the D sharp on top. And reviewing that last movement. At this stage, I'd like to go back and play everything from the beginning. I play an F minor 7. The way I play it is by placing a bar on the 6th fret. I'm playing the notes F with my 2nd finger, 5th string, 8th fret. The A flat under the bar, E flat with my 3rd finger, F under the bar on the 2nd string, and the C on top. So again, F, A flat, E flat, F, and C. Next 3 melody notes are played under the shape. Remove the pinky, the bar now plays the B flat. Move the pinky to the 2nd string, 9th fret, to play the A flat. Next melody note is a G, played against a B flat 13 chord. It's a bar on the 6th fret. The notes are B flat, A flat, D, and the G. 3 melody notes, F, G, G sharp. You can also throw in the A chromatic note. And play that last movement once again. E flat, F sharp, just as before. We are now at the second half of the tune, and we could use the same exact voicings as the first half, but to change things up a little bit harmonically, I decided to play some substitutions. Starts the same. Now the second time, I play an F minor 7, a bar on the 1st fret, F, E flat, A flat, and D. Now the notes B flat and C are played on strings 3 and 2. F sharp diminished chord. In the same position, the notes are F sharp, D sharp, A, and D. As before, the notes F and E flat, only now they're played on strings 1 and 2. concluded with this E flat major 7 chord, which is an inversion with the G in the bass. The notes are G at the bottom, E flat, the root, 4th string 1st fret, as well as B flat and D on strings 3 and 2. So once again, B flat, C. Again, an inversion of what would otherwise be an E flat minor 7. G flat in the bass, 6th string 2nd fret. E flat on the 4th string. The B flat with the pinky on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and the D flat on top. Now I just remove my fingers 3 and 4, and I'm left with that A flat 7 chord with the 7 in the bass. So the notes are G flat, E flat, A flat, and C. And once again, a substitution, a diatonic 3rd up from the F minor 7. To go with that melody, I play an A flat major 7. The way I play it is with the thumb holding down the A flat at the bottom, 6th string 4th fret, along with the notes G, C, E flat, and G. And as before, play 3 times. And as before, also play now B flat, A flat, G. And return to the same A flat minor 7 I played before, to D flat 7. Same melody now. F sharp 7, B7, all exactly the same. And now to the ending. A G minor 7 in the 10th position. It's a bar on the middle 4 strings. And the melody is the B flat, F to B flat, this I view as G flat minor 7. There's nothing in this shape that indicates the minor because the melody is the 11th, so it takes the place of the 3. At any rate, it's a bar, it's just a slide down, a bar now on the 9th fret, playing the notes G flat, B, or I can call it F sharp, B, E, and B. And add the 2 notes E to E flat. F minor 7 in the 8th position. It's the bar on the upper 5 strings in the 8th position. The notes all together are F, C, E flat, A flat, and C. And the melody is C, A flat. This is our B flat 7. I'm just playing the triad, but you can also add the 7th. The notes are B flat, F, and D on top. And quickly play the B flat on the 2nd string, 11th fret. And my final chord is an E flat in this position, which is still in the 8th position. It's a partial bar in the upper 4 strings, and the notes are B flat, F, G, and E flat on top. So from the B flat 7